been amazing. What do you think?
I am so happy. There's so much love here. There's so much community spirit. And the Marti Gras gods have smiled on us with this beautiful weather today.
Thank you for having us. It was a marvelous time.
Down in New Orleans, just to see that Mardi Gras queen. When they got that, they told me no. Everybody gonna start to go. Well, I went down in New Orleans, just to see that Zydeco queen. When you right said out of the door, everybody do the Zydeco.
Here we are. We are at the Mardi Gras celebration in Gloucester.
Where?
Gloucester.
What the hell's Gloucester?
We're having fun, right?
We are.
We're having a ball. You should have come. Why didn't you come?
It was a lot of fun. Getting ready to eat some food and have a parade.
We're gonna have a parade. Yay!